Hello and welcome, group. I'm excited to talk to you today a little bit about how our psychological stress is dealt with by our physiological selves in the systems of hormones and neurotransmitters. First of all, many people have heard of fight or flight. This is when we have an immediate threat in our environment, maybe a rattlesnake on our path, maybe a steep drop off along our way, whether we're driving or biking, maybe even some sort of a situation with uh, a bully or a robber or something that we know is wrong and that we know we're going to have to deal with, but we're scared. Our central nervous system has two important sides of the coin. One of them is the sympathetic nervous system. And the sympathetic nervous system is the fight or flight system that gives our body that rapid response to deal with the threats. Many of us have heard of fight or flight, and you may think of a time in your life when you responded with fight or flight. But why did we do that? How did our sympathetic nervous system make this happen for us? Our body was able to produce a hormone called catecholamine, which is secreted in the adrenal medulla and causes that physiological rapid fire arousal that induces neurotransmitters like adrenaline and noradrenaline. All of these chemicals in our bodies work together to give us that quick response, whether we need to get out of Dodge or we need to stay and deal with an immediate threat. Things like our lungs breathing deeper, getting more oxygen, things like our hearts beating faster, pumping it more quickly around our body, give us that edge that we need to maybe fight with, deal with, grab, yell, look away, run, whatever it is we have to do to deal with that stressful situation. Also, our body stops certain processes like our stomach digestive enzymes and our bowel movements in order to focus and be able to spend all of our resources on the things that we need to deal with the threat. Even like our pupils dilating to let more light in, or our blood vessels opening up to allow that blood to pump through and get the oxygen to our muscles faster and allow us to do what we need. So, catecholamines, the hormone produced and secreted by the adrenal medulla, is what sets off the sympathetic nervous system response called fight or flight.